Peace, guys. Peace, guys. This is your friend Adrian once again. Um, how to fire your boss in 2019 and beyond. Um, I was talking to an employee the other day, and he was like, "Man, I just want to be free. I'm tired of working 12-hour days and things of that nature, right?" So I said, "What you doing? What you doing about it, right?" And he said, "Well, I don't know what to do about it." And I told him, "Well, the first thing you gotta do is look at what you're good at. For example, if you're not good at something, study something that you can get good at, that you have a passion for." Then he said something crazy to me because this is what I do, right? He said, "Be honest with you, Adrian. It's two things that I'm looking at. I'm looking at the forex." I said, "That's interesting." I said, "What's the second thing?" He said, "Network marketing," and that's what I do also. So I said, "So what you doing about it?" He said, "Well, I don't know where to start." I said, "The first thing you need to do is get your mindset right by getting books on creating wealth for yourself. And second thing you need to do is um, get on YouTube and start reading. I mean, start listening to audios of mindsets and network marketing, like how to get started online to make a full time income. And then once you start understanding that mindset, then get into a marketing system that have a lot of teaching us, and that's what the best advice I can give them. Get started, because I ain't want to overload them, because there's a lot of factors. Once you get them keys of getting your mindset right, watching YouTube videos on how to make money online. The third part is, even if you don't make money right away, you got to keep pushing yourself and learning how to make videos, learning how to make funnels. You might not make no money in the first 6 months, but if you quit, then you tell yourself that you can't do it. It might take a year, but in that year process, you learning something. For example, if you go to college, right? After 1 year, you don't get a degree, do you? After 2 years, you might get an associate degree. It's the same way with making money online, guys. You got to be consistent and keep at it, keep at it. You're going to hear more no's than yes. Um, One of my mentors told me, he a millionaire, it took him to talk to over 10,000 people to get the 1,000 people to sign up with him, you know? And them 1,000 people made him a millionaire. But it took him over 10,000 times to talking to people. And he did it seriously, guys. He just sent emails and free traffic. He bought paid traffic. He was on the phone with over 10,000 people, guys. I mean, on the phone. And hearing hang ups, hang ups, hang ups, hang ups. Don't call me no more. All type of stuff. But he was consistent. And it took him about 5 or 7 years for him to get that 1,000 people, you know? So if you want to make money online, be consistent, get your mindset right, um, learn much as possible on YouTube videos from how to make money online, how to make capture pages, how to send emails, how to get free traffic, how to make phone calls, everything, guys. And that can take some time to learn. Now, I've been doing network marketing for maybe about 3 or 4 years, but I also own a janitorial business for the last 15 years, guys. So I've been in business for a long time, but for me to grow my janitorial business, when I first started like 15 years ago, guys, I was reading books, Les Brown, many different type of books, guys. And then also, I was even uh, doing free service for other business owners in the janitorial business to learn how to strip and wax, learn how to do carpet cleaning. But now I'm at the stage now in my life I want to do online business. I've been doing it for the last like 4 or 5 years, I believe, but not seriously taking it like I'm taking it now for the last 2 years because getting older, so I want to really spend a lot of time, you know, at home, around the family, friends, and take trips and stuff like that. And I don't want to have employees and stuff like that. I got to micromanage like that. So, guys, if you want to take this online business serious, guys, uh, and you want to be free and you want to make residual income, guys, um, I can show you what I'm doing, guys. That pay residual income, and I'll leave that information below this video. But make sure you subscribe to my video, guys, because 2019 and beyond is gonna be powerful for me and my team because I'm starting something new. Uh, it's gonna be a rotator, so I can help a lot of people, especially in my hometown. But it's gonna be worldwide. But I'm gonna start with my hometown by going out there and talking to that 10,000 people. You know, same as my mentor taught me. Talk to your 10,000 people. Um, Once you get to 10,000 people, guys, you'll be a professional. What they say, it takes 10,000 tries to be perfect. If you don't believe me, shoot 10,000 free throws and tell me how after 10,000 free throws, how good are you of making free throws? All right, guys. Once again, it's your friend Adrian. Just a quick little video. Peace.